Hello everyone, welcome to Legacy IAS. So, today we'll be continuing with our time and work lectures. Now, see this. So, we had started with the basic introduction, that was the first video. After that, we had done some basic questions. Correct? Today, what we will be doing is questions based on combination based questions. For example, you might have seen that A, B together can do a work in 7 days, B and C together can do it in 6 days. In how many days A, B and C together, all three together will complete the work. So questions like this, that is combination of A, B, C and whatever. Understood? Now let's get started. So first thing is A and B can do a piece of work in 4 days. Okay. If A can do it alone in 12 days, how much time will B take to finish it alone? This was asked in UPSC 1981, before all of us were born. Okay. Now, the thing is how you do this. So, if any combination is given, let's say A plus B is taking this much time, whatever, 4 days. Now, just write all of them in reciprocals. Write all of them in time reciprocals. Write all of them in time reciprocals. See how does this work. So I say that A will take 1 by A, whatever is the time taken by A, I'll write it like this, plus 1 by time taken by B. Like this I'll write all of them. Okay, so let's do it. Now A and B can do a piece of work in 4 days. Okay, so 1 by A plus 1 by B can do a work in 4 days. So 1 by 4, simple. Time reciprocals. This is time taken by A to complete the job alone. This is time taken by B to complete the job alone. When they are working together, they are completing it in 4 days. So 1 by 4. All are in the denominator, we have times. Understood? Above we have 1, 1, 1. Okay, actually this is what you had written. No, work is equals to efficiency into time. You had written this, correct? Now if I take work upon efficiency, then this is also equal to time, or I can say that efficiency is equals to work upon time. Now if I take work to be 1 unit, then efficiency becomes what? 1 by T. And that is why when A and B are working together, so you add their efficiencies. We used to add their efficiencies in basic questions. So instead of efficiency, now we are adding 1 by T, 1 by T, whatever time they take. That's it. Now let's write it. So if A alone can do it in 12 days, so here I write 1 by 12 days plus 1 by B, I don't know. This is equal to 1 by 4. Now how much time will B take to finish it alone? Now how do I do this? Simply 1 by B is here. 1 by 4 minus 1 by 12. This gives you what? This gives you 12. How many times this will go? 3 minus 1. So 2. 1, 6. What you got? 1 by 6. Or if 1 by B is equals to 1 by 6, that means B is equals to 6 days. In this type of question, whatever the value you guess is in terms of days. Why? Because we are writing time in denominator. Okay, so 6 became your answer. Got it? Simple. Okay, similarly you have to write reciprocals of 1. For in place of A, what you will write? 1 upon whatever time A takes alone to complete a work. Similarly for B and all of them. Then let's do another question. This is A can lay a railway track in 16 days, B in 12 days. With the help of C, they can finish the job in 4 days. All are working together throughout. In how many days can C alone do it? Correct? So if all three of them are working together, then 1 by time taken by A plus 1 by time taken by B plus 1 by time taken by C is equals to whatever time is given for all three of them when they work together. What time they take? With the help of C, they finished the job in 4 days, all working together throughout. So in 4 days, they completed it entirely. So 1 by 4. Now A can alone do it in how many days? 16 days. So here it becomes 1 by 16 plus B can do it in 12 days. So 1 by 12 plus 1 by C is equals to 1 by 4. Correct? Now value of 1 by C will be equal to what? 1 by 4 minus 1 by 16 minus 1 by 12. Now you can take, what will be the LCM? 16 is not the LCM. 32? No. 48. 48 can be the LCM. So 48, how many times this goes with 4? 12 times. 16, how many times this will go? 3 times. 12, how many times this will go? 4 times. So what you got? 12 minus 3 minus 4, or 12 minus 7, that is 5 by 48. This came out to be value of 1 by C. But what you want? C in this gives you the number of days it will take. So it will take 48 by 5 days or 9.6 days. Okay, that's it. That is how you have to do. Whatever is given, write in 1 by 1 by 1 by terms. Now, let's see another one. Yeah, you can pause and try this one if you want. What is given? A work can be completed by P and Q in 12 days, by Q and R in 15 days, and R and P in 20 days. In how many days all three of them will finish the work together? Now, first one, P and Q are working, so 1 by P plus 1 by Q. This is completed in 12 days, so 1 by 12, correct? Next one, Q and R are working together, complete in 15 days. So 1 by Q plus 1 by R is equals to 1 by 15. Then next, R and P. So 1 by R plus 1 by P is equals to 1 by 20. Simple. Same thing we are doing again and again, correct? So we have written all these combinations. Whatever is the combination, you write it in this terms only, 1 upon whatever time they take to do it alone. Simple. Now, how do you solve this? You simply add all three equations. Simply add all three equations. What you'll get? You'll get 2 times 1 by P plus 1 by Q plus 1 by R. Correct? 1 by Q you can see 2 times, 1 by R you can see 2 times, 1 by P you can see 2 times. Now, this will be equal to sum of all these three, which is 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. How many times this will go? 12, 15, 20. 15 twos are 30, correct? Not divisible by or 20 twos are 30, not divisible by or 23s are 60. 60 is divisible by all of them. So 60 becomes the LCM. How many times this will go with 12? 5 times. With 15 this will go 4 times. With 20 this will go 3 times. That's it. What you got? 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. So this becomes 12 by 60 or 1 by 5. Correct? But there is 2 here also. So you send 2 there. What you get is 1 by Q plus 1 by P plus 1 by Q plus 1 by R is equals to 1 by 10, because I have sent this 2 here. Now that means, what is this? That means if all three of them work together, it will take them how many days? 10 days. So this becomes your answer. Understood? Simple. This is the logic how you do combination based questions, okay, when they are working throughout. In the next class, we'll see, you might have seen questions like, some people are, let's say A, B, C start the work together, then A leaves in the midway and some D joins in the midway, then they work for this many days. So all that we'll see in next class. Understood? This is simple combination problems. Thank you.